This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a security system, a passenger side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.